So, what is mindfulness? I want to answer this question for you by citing experts and reliable sources. Mindfulness means paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally. Jon Kabat-Zinn. Mindfulness shows us what is happening in our bodies, our emotions, our minds, and in the world. Through mindfulness, we avoid harming ourselves and others. Thich Nhat Hanh. Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we are doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Mindful.org. Mindfulness is the psychological process of bringing one's attention to the internal and external experiences occurring in the present moment, which can be developed through the practice of meditation and other training. Wikipedia. The practice of being aware of your body, mind, and feelings in the present moment, though, to create a feeling of calm. Cambridge Dictionary. Mindfulness is about training yourself to pay attention in a specific way. When a person is mindful, they focus on the present moment. Try not to think about anything that went on in the past or that might be coming up in the future. Purposely concentrate on what's happening around them. Try not to be judgmental about anything they notice or label things like good or bad. Reach out. Mindfulness means maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment through a gentle, nurturing lens. Mindfulness also involves acceptance, meaning that we pay attention to our thoughts and feelings without judging them, without believing, for instance, that there is a right or wrong way to think or feel in a given moment. When we practice mindfulness, our thoughts tune into what we are sensing in the present moment rather than rehashing the past or imagining the future.